I'm feeling a very strong presence of the ruby red fire, Archangel Uriel. You're currently transmuting some very old attachment, bond, cords, entanglement. You're setting yourself free. And the message I'm hearing is pretty great. What you do for a living is you just read people. You're just good at knowing people. You're just good at reading people's energy, and you just know. I'm tapping into a soul that you're very sharp. I'm hearing don't get me twisted. So people cannot just lie to you. They cannot steal from you. Because you just know. I'm hearing also that you're a threat for every situation, people, places that is not aligned with the divine truth. And it's funny because it's really, yeah, that's the truth. It's really coming back, like, don't get me twisted. And what I'm receiving with that is you've been doing the work, and they want me to elaborate of what I mean by that, the inner work. And it's taking some bravery, some courage to go inside and to dig the crap, the thing, the event, the memory. Thank you for the confirmation. And it's actually an order from you guys, and the order is 1111, and that's big. So it was a massive confirmation. I'm talking about the inner work and bravery, courage. Yeah, to go back to the places, the memory, the trapped emotion where the trauma happened. And whether it's from this lifetime or another lifetime, it takes some big balls to feel, because ultimately I think they want me to repeat the process of healing, because whatever you do, nobody can heal you, okay? People like me, and I'm so grateful for your trust and your love and your support. The only thing we can do is help you remember for you to heal yourself. As your body is the most divine technology, it can heal itself. And during this process, what we can do is to help you remember what happened, when it happened, the circumstances, to unlock this event back to your memory, for this event to come from your subconscious mind where it was blocked to your conscious mind, for it to be released, right? So this process is my work, my gift, my job, if that makes sense, 555 on the timer. My mission, ultimately, my purpose is to help people get the trapped emotion, the trapped memory, uncover it, I'm hearing. Let it come to the conscious mind for you to remember, for you, for your body system, for your inner child to remember the shock. So it's very non-pleasant. When this happens, when you remember, your body remember, your mind, I'm hearing, remember, your inner child is reliving the event, because ultimately you have to redo the operation to release it. And it's not we cannot argue about it. It's the way, you see, you cannot escape that. There is nothing that can just be, oh, I'm going to pick it from the subconscious and just alchemize it. No, the process of alchemize it, to escape one and for all your system, it has to respect some steps, right? I'm hearing otherwise it's not a healing. The technology is doing perfectly what it has to do. So coming back to what I was saying, it takes courage to be able to do that. And discipline and consistency. You are not coming at the end of the tunnel by random. You're not receiving your abundance by random. You're just harvesting your hard work, and it's not about doing so much healing or whatever. It's about staying consistent, creating a routine with yourself, because this is the most powerful act of self-love. Working out, drinking water, healthy food, healthy habits, sun bathing, sun gazing, hydrating, immersing in water, stay away from negative people, stay away from negativity in general, cultivating your inner garden and outer if you have the chance to do so. All of that is healing, and it takes courage to stay consistent. Discipline is what you need to start something, and consistency is what you need to finish it. I'm talking to a real hero out there, and if you want to dig deeper, please check my website, as I'm offering some very, very powerful tool for your own self-development. What I'm hearing is I offer a shortcut, which is beautiful, because yes, ultimately the work has to be done, but my technology, my gift is to help you take some shortcut instead of spending years and years doing therapy or self-discovery. I am just offering shortcut, I guess it's the best way to say it. I have Soulmate, and I have so beautiful transformation. You and your soulmate are transforming each other. I love that. I want through meditation, you guys are very committed to each other and the inner work. I'm talking to someone that is doing it alone, and this is for the sake of meeting your soulmate, because your soulmate is doing the same on their side. This is beautiful. Spend time doing the inner work, beautiful. And until next time, namaste.